Hello friends! Welcome to my channel Painting Hyun. I'll make this channel for people to paint easier no matter where they live in the world. Before starting this video, I'd like to let you know my online class 101 will be launching on December 18, 2020. I really appreciate your support and responding to the survey. I will make this class. It will help those who listen to this class do art easily and enjoy it. I will give you 1-point lesson for class. So finally, I will help you find your own painting style. What you will learn: first, how to sketch; second, how to use watercolors; third, how to incorporate light and shadow; fourth, working you through the many techniques. So if you are interested in my online class, click the link below. You can find more information. So, okay, next. Today's topic is plein air. I painted this seascape a few days ago when I traveled to Cabrillo National Monument, San Diego, California. It's fun and feels happy to paint beautiful scenery that you can find while traveling. So I always carry handy painting supplies when I go on a trip. And whenever I see a nice view, I take that chance to paint. I hope, like me, you can do that. Now I'm sketching with micron 03 pen. Sketchy do very simply. The sky was clear and the warm sunlight made me feel peaceful. Also, the blue sea became one with the sky and impressed my imagination. I usually carried my beautiful small palette and watercolor paper 7 by 10 inches, one of micron 03 pen, one of Davinci matte brush number 3, one bottle of water and 2 of small cup, and paper towel. That's it. So I strongly recommend for you, try it while traveling. Okay? I hope you have a happy watching. Remove the color from sky area. It will be a part of clouds. There are in the distance many buildings, so I want to paint very simple paint, so use very simple colors. This is the small, no, very big bridge. Small and big boats. Many of small boats there, and birds, and many very quiet ripples in the sea. I'm taking some bluish purple painted on the sky part, looking nature and great. I want to do plein-air work, simple sketch and simple painting, not exactly transfer scenery. Transfer, just feel free to paint. Okay, today's painting all done. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.